Hello everybody, this is Marshall Studios Forever Production here. Marshall Studios Forever Production is taped in front of a live audience tonight. Tonight's video, I really wanted to make a video on my 1990s Bissell because I didn't get any requests from people for this. I found out I got a request from the fans. They want me to use the Black Eureka the Boss Plus over and over and over. No. I really wanted to use my Black Eureka the Boss Plus, but I might do that tomorrow, okay? And also, I'm going to do a mess test, okay? Okay. Well, try the other bottle. Well, I'm gonna do it right now, okay? Well, here we go. All right. I'm going to plug it in. By the way, you guys, also, I really love using this vacuum because it's way better than the crappy ass Chinese machines, and I like these old vacuums better because I like these old vintage Bissells better because they're powerful. I'm not a big fan of the newer bagless stuff or the newer modern Bissells. They get clogged up easily. I have to fix those multiple times. With this, you don't have to do that. I can still change the belt out with this, and that's only it. And also, you guys, I love older Bissells. When I ever find one of these, it crosses my path. It crosses my path to find one of those. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, action. Well, guys, what do you think? Well, I love this machine, by the way. This machine's really powerful. It's kind of lightweight. And this is really good because I had this thing since 2022 and I only got it for $16 at Bargain's thrift store, you guys, in my old town. I bought it when I was with my dad. I got it on my 24th birthday. Works fantastically, and these are one of my favorite vacuum cleaners to use. And I'm looking forward to find a 10 amp version to this, and I'm looking forward to find a Bissell Power Partner. And I'm looking for the Power Partner version, the Micro Lock. And I'm looking forward to find a green one with the green Bissell 9 amp version, and also I'm looking forward to find a black Bissell Micro Lock 7 stages upright vacuum cleaner. And I was been looking for those type of old machines for years. And I really do enjoy my blue Bissell 9 amp because it's powerful and it has a lot of suction, you guys, okay? And I love it. And it kept the carpets really clean, and that thing will suck right out of the carpet, you guys. And I actually used some carpet freshener today. Was kind of a good thing, and smells pretty good. It's really amazing to use, and I love using older vintage Bissells. I really do, because the soft bags are the best ones I ever loved. Because these are more durable and more tighter. And this is made out of leather. This is made out of leather bags, made out of leather, what is it called? Polar fleece. It was made by Hims from Singer because they make some really good machines. Way back in the 90s. And I remember growing up with these type of vacuums. They never get old to me. And I love using them. I enjoy using them a lot because I kind of grew up with those type of machines. And this machine was from 1998. And this machine's about 27 years old. And this machine's not that old, you guys. It is a really old machine, but the machine looks brand new. And I will use it every time when I vacuum, and I will let you know if I ever find a green Bissell Power Partner in the Micro Lock. If I ever find the black Micro Lock upright vacuum, I will let you know, okay? Well, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you click thumbs up and hit subscribe. Click down below what you like to see for a brand new video. I'll see you in the next video, okay? Peace, everybody. Love you guys. Peace.